Okay, this is going to be very brief. The videos that I posted last week for spring break should be the main point of reference. But what we've done here is we've defined Coulombs Law, magnitude of the force, and the vector force in terms of the vector joining the 2 points, the locations of the 2 charges, the R12 over magnitude of R12 being a unit vector, and the magnitude of R12 is the same as just plain old R12 without a vector sign over it. So this could be incorporated into this, made into a cube that obscures the fact that you're multiplying the force by a unit vector. Now, another difference here is I've got absolute value signs around Q1, Q2 because charges can be positive or negative. To get the magnitude of F, I'm going to have to put absolute value signs around this. I take them off down here because now the signs of the charges will determine whether this force is in the direction of R12 or opposite the direction of R12. K is approximately 9 times 10 to the 9th Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared, and K is also 1 over 4 pi epsilon0, where epsilon0 is called the permittivity of free space. This number is much excuse me, easier to remember than this number. So I usually talk in terms of K instead of 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, but your book is going to say 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. C stands for the Coulomb. That's a unit of charge, which is approximately equal to 6 times 10 to the 18th so-called fundamental charges. We still call this the charge of a proton is a fundamental charge, and it's equal to the charge of the electron in magnitude. Now we know they're quarks. We're pretty sure they're quarks. We've never seen one, but they make so much sense in a very deep sense, a very deep way, that we know that there are probably charges of 1/3 and 2/3 of the fundamental charge. E is going to stand for the magnitude of an electron charge, which is the same as a proton charge, and it's approximately 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs. This number is the reciprocal of this number. Of course, this number I've only written to one significant figure, and you can get more accurate versions of these, and of course you can always look at tables.